You see how they're all huddled out there? They're not being as loud now. Boo! Ah! Ah!
Allahu Akbar!
Stop eating the eggs!
Grab
You're a
it.
big rat!
Rat!
Oh, look sad. Boo!
Rat!
Here's something to
You
hit
made
with.
fun of it. No!
This is more of a
Oh my
shield.
god.
It opened its mouth at me.
It's gonna bite you. Hold on, I'm opening the door. I want to get the bite on
I'm
camera.
locking it in.
I want to get the bite on
Oh, come
camera.
help me.
I don't have
What do
gloves.
I do here?
You grab it around its
Where-
stomach, hopefully,
No,
or
look at how
around
it's
its
in
neck.
there. Look at how it's in there, Kevin.
Yeah, you grab it.
I can't get to its stomach. It's like.
Oh yeah, it's definitely rearing for an attack.
Yeah.
So go towards it. Don't let it bite the hand with the thinner glove.
Which one? I think this is the thicker hand. I don't want it to bite me at all. That's the thing.
Well, too bad.
Yeah, you shut up. Go play dead or something.
Then stop locking it in.
I'm gonna go outside the coop and scream again. When I come in, you better be asleep.
Go over there and scare it out.
Ooga booga! I was kind of hoping that would work.
Yeah, no, it's still in there.
Did it do anything?
Nope, it's just kind of in a defensive position.
Alright, so plan B.
Touch its tail, make it bite itself.
It did not like that.
I bet!
It
You're pulling
growled
its
at me.
tail.
What about its tail?
Scaredy cat. Scaredy cat. No.
Hello there, friend. He does not like this.
Really?
I don't really want to just grab him because then he bites me.
Well, then grab its mouth. Grab its mouth shut then.
This is reaction time. He just let me stick it in his mouth and he didn't do anything.
Oh, and move your hand
Oh, he
close.
bit it.
You bit it?
Yeah.
How nice.
Softly. Ooh, he flinched.
Ooh. Oh, shoot. It's a rat. Oh. It's a rat.
I think I'm getting it. I'd like some help.
Oh, there goes its egg.
I've
Hey,
got
that's-
it. No, you stop growling. Uh-uh. No,
Did it just spit something out of its mouth?
no, you just growled. Come give me a hand. Hold the wood for me.
No, I don't.
I need
I'm
an
not
extra
wearing a
hand
glove.
so I can grab it. You don't need the flashlight. Yeah.
I don't have the flashlight.
You grab the piece of wood. Just keep it like there.
Don't grab its butt.
Woo! I wasn't gonna grab it. I was gonna try and grab it by the middle.
You motherfucker.
Mom lied to me. She said it would be easier.
You're chicken. Bark, bark.
No, that's them.
Chicken.
I touched it.
Did it make a? Was that the sound it made, or was
Yeah,
that the
that
sound?
was the sound of it. It's okay. I'm petting it.
No! You're supposed to grab it, not pet it. All I'm hoping is that it doesn't jump towards me. I don't have to bash it with a flashlight. Nobody wants
Listen, you
that.
take the wood. You take the wood. You come here. Take
Give-
the wood. Keep it here. I've got to like kind of press.
It's gonna jump forwards.
It can't. No, you shut up. Woo! Well, that's why you hold the end of it. He can't get out like this. What's he gonna do?
Jump?
Through that space?
Yeah!
No!
It's a rat! Oh, shoot. It's a
Oh, rat! Are you still recording this?
Yes. Oh, shoot. It's a rat. Your butt.
Close his mouth. Yeah, you gotta chew your food.
It's a downwards motion that it's going to be having from. It's going to be an upwards motion from the bomb jaw that's going to bite you. So grab its mouth if you're so afraid of getting
okay.
bit. We'll put it in its mouth, see how quick it gets it.
Oh, I mean,
That wasn't
but I don't know if it's gonna be different for, you know, my hand. Ooh, he's a fast one. Oh boy!
You want me to get mom or dad?
Oh, I got this.
Yeah, sure.
You should give me a hand though.
I don't have a hand to give. I'm not wearing gloves.
Go get the other glove.
Aw.
Here, we'll just kind of leave you there.
I'm leaving the phone here. You swear at it if you want.
Penis. Yeah, that's right, rat boy. You heard what I said.
Make
What?
up your mind. Make up your mind, man.
What's the approach? Keep it.
I'm trying to
it's
get
got-
his foot over.
Alright, so.
Because I don't have a second hand to push with. It's pushing on the board.
I'm kind of.
Get it!
Yeah!
You got it!
Let's take him. Go, go, go!
Here, I'll get the flashlight.
Hurry up! Yeah!
Hey, no, put it away! We got a rat!
We got
Oh, shoot, there's a rat!
Alright, now, you got the wood spool, right?
The rat. No, I don't. It's gonna run off.
Alright, now
Now we gotta run back and close the door.
make sure he doesn't come back.
Don't come back here no more,
Yeah, you
bud.
better not come back.